recording. Yes. Candidates, Vishwa Jadhav, you have answered. How many marks you scored? 60 or 64?
No, sir, I have scored 54.75.
So it doesn't matter. No, in which area you were scoring less? Was it in reasoning or maths?
Sales, sales
Reason.
aptitude was,
Sales
yes, sir.
aptitude also. Oh, oh. Acha,
Yes,
acha,
sir.
theek. Acha. Sales aptitude out of 10, how many were correct?
I just attempted five, sir, and the correct are only two. Three was wrong.
Oh, three was were wrong.
Yeah, three were wrong.
Oh, oh. What about 50 is a good mark, but then what about English? How much was it in English for you? Mark
Uh,
wise.
Mark wise, I score 11 in English,
Then cons.
10 in quants, and 13.75 in LR,
Not bad. What about general knowledge?
9.75,
Computer?
8.25.
See, one thing I have tried to select is I went through I have collected all the questions from computer from what I have given you only. I went through them and then found which may be relevant for you. Not that they are going to ask the same question. I expect out of these 100 questions, at least 10 questions will be of similar type, 10 to 20 questions, similar type, and exact questions out of those general knowledge, computer, and sales aptitude. There must be 5 questions, I expect. But it is all our expectation only. Aega, nahi aega, pata nahi. Yeah. Now, um, you have the questions with you there, or now we will go through socio and economic awareness first. Socio and economic awareness. Here, which questions, Vishwa Jadhav, you answered wrongly? Vishwa Jadhav,
Mm, yes, I don't have. Wait,
no
I
problem,
have to
not
check.
required.
Sir, I have
Not,
some
yeah,
doubts about, means there are
yeah,
some corrections in questions.
yeah. Maybe you told me some 30 question is not appearing all right, something. That's what you said?
No, sir. In question of quant section, there was one value was missing, so I could not find the answer of that question just because of that.
Then, then you can take 1 mark for that. Which question
And
was that? Which question was that?
uh, wait a minute, sir. Let me check.
Is it question number 30?
30. Yes,
That
yes.
A,
Percentage one.
A had certain number of chocolates. Out of the 60% of chocolates which A, he gave 80% of the chocolates to B and the remaining to C. 1 minute. See, actually, we are supposed to maintain records properly. Otherwise, what will happen? At one stage in my paper, there were no answers for 41 to 79. Luckily, I had maintained in your accounts notebook itself, where I am writing your names, everything intact, so I could restore it. So please remember, candidates, keep all your documents properly in a proper place and keep them. Now, A had a certain number of chocolates. Out of the 60% chocolates, he gave 80% of chocolates to be 80% of 60 is 48% of total. If the difference between the number of chocolates left with A, that is 52, now he is left with 52, and the number of chocolates with B, this fellow has got 48, and A had certain number of chocolates out of the A had out of the 60% chocolates with A, he gave 80% to B, that is 48% of total he gave, and the remaining he gave to Mr. C. That means C is getting 12% of it. Now, If the difference between the number of chocolates left with A, now A is left with 50, A is left with 40%. And the number of chocolates with B is left with 48. Find the total number of chocolates A had. The difference is 8%. 8%. Acha. That point has not been given. If the difference between the number of chocolates left with A and number of chocolates with B, then find the total number of chocolates. What is the answer given for this? D, na?
Sir, yeah,
Yeah, it was
1800.
1800. So if it is 1800, then
Sir,
how much is 8%? 8 by
sir,
100, it should be, I should give 64,
144.
144. Yes. Mm, it's let us see with answers में 144 दिया था.
Yes, sir.
They
Yes, sir. Answer में दिया है, but
oh,
it is missing in the question. That's why.
oh, it's a mistake. You take 1 mark for that. 1 minute. How to correct this? Oh, so I should go and correct in the this is edit document, edit. Like that, any mistakes coming, please tell. We can get them corrected. See, all this I copied from some previous papers, and these are all real exam papers.
Sir, I have one more doubt.
I will tell you. If the difference of chocolates, if the difference between the number of chocolates left with A and the number of chocolates with B is 144, na?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, fine. It's okay. Now, next question. Yeah.
74.
74. Yeah. Tanya. Yeah. What is the missing here? Tanya starts walking towards north for 5 meters. Okay. Tanya starts walking for north for 5 meters. Then takes a right turn and walks 4 meters. Okay. To reach point P. Okay. Then she takes a left turn, walks 3 meters. Okay. Then she turns to her right and walks for 6 meters to reach point Q. Correct. Again, she turns towards right and walks for 8 meters. This is 3, this is 8. That means he'll be exactly parallel to the place where he started to reach point R. Correct. And then she turns to her left and walks 2 meters. Okay. That means 4 plus 10, 4 plus 6, 10 plus 2, 12. Then she takes 2 consecutive right turns, walks for 4 meters and 8 meters. Consecutive right turns. One is 4 meters. And then another, this thing, 8 meters to reach point S and P. Now, what is the mistake you found? What is the thing missing?
Sir,
Vishwa?
in question they have asked what is the shortest distance between P and Q.
P and Q. It is a square root of 6 meters. Sorry, 6 square plus 3 square. What is the answer given? Wrongly given as.
Um,
Acha, acha.
I think
B,
it's C,
the
but
the
B
B,
में option नहीं है sir.
the B में option ही नहीं है. Yeah. Question paper में भी ऐसा ही है. What is the shortest distance? What is the answer given? Answer is given as C.
Yes, yes.
C is 3 meters. No, that is wrong. That's wrong.
It's under root 45.
Then square root of 6 square plus 3 square is equal to 36 plus 9 is equal to square root of 45. Square root of 45. I think we can add a question. None of these, na? The answer
Yes.
is given as C.
Yes.
Then I will put none of these there. Correct. Then next question. If 75 and all coming correctly,
Yes, sir.
76. No.
Yes.
76 is not belonging to this. It's belonging to this. Correct. That's all okay. Very good. Next, any other question, doubt? Any other question, doubt, please? Any other person? Any other person also can ask. Edwina, do you get some doubts? Edwina, how many marks did you score?
Sir, it's only 45.
Oh, for you only I put that mark, selection mark. Oh, I don't know. I never saw your mark, of course. Have you told your marks to us? No.
No, sir.
Oh, other things remaining constant, 45 and above will be selected. But again, it depends on your computer questions, general knowledge question, and say your sales aptitude question. If you go through the general knowledge question, I have tried to keep certain logic in mind, that is, which is very important or relevant. Of course, this was looked into from the angle of an elderly person like me, 70 plus, but maybe most of the examiners are 60 plus only. They may also think like me only. So I think so. But if the paper is set by some 40-year-old man, the questions will be completely different. Yeah. Now, shall we read the questions now for general knowledge questions? Excuse
Yes,
me.
sir.
Sir, can you explain question number 100? I don't understand why it's option number D.
100, yeah. Most basic concept of underlying market is that of what is the answer given? Customer satisfaction or retaining customers? Or sorry,
Sir,
human
it's
needs.
the human
Human.
needs.
That's basic. That takes care of everything.
Oh,
The
I
most
said
most
retaining of.
most most basic concept of underlying market is that of human needs. Arey bhai, if there is no need, whatever
Cater
you
to the
want,
need.
whatever
Okay.
you try to sell cannot be sold. For example, now I take all these questions outside and give it to some A, B, C free. Nobody will take it.
Yes, sir. I got
Unless he is a federal bank candidate, the fellows are totally not interested in this.
it.
Samajh
Yes,
gaya?
sir.
Yeah, that
Yes,
is
sir.
the so I saw that question, and I saw the answer also was relevant to suit my thinking, so I marked it. Yeah. Now let us finish off sales aptitude because you are considering it very tough. What are the answers I have given? Um, I would request Simran ji, क्या हो गया आपका? सिमरन जी,
हाँ सर.
आप आंसर किया नहीं किया क्वेश्चन पेपर?
हाँ किए सर.
कितना मार्क आए हैं आपको?
सर 70.
70?
Yes.
Oh God, please show me your face. I am recording now. Wait a minute. I will stop recording.